Hello guys, good morning. Let me start with one of the most important part which you will be required in the ML algorithms is dictionary. So I will make one separate video regarding the topic dictionary. Unique, key, mutable. You must be requiring unique keys. You can't duplicate the keys in the dictionary. Also, the keys are mutable in nature. What is mutable means? Mutable means editing. Means you can edit the keys. Means if you have the value 0 as a key, then you can update that value 0 to 1, 2, 5 lakh, 5 crores, etc. Delete student grade. It means this will delete the key and the value both. It does not mean that you are deleting just the key, but you are deleting both keys and values. Keys is equals to student dot keys. It will take all the keys. Value is equals to student dot values. It will take all the values. Items is equals to student dot items, all key value pairs. It means that in this format all the dictionary which consists of the keys and values are present in the form of pair. In this format, list of tuples, it indicates that there is a list which contains the tuples, and inside those tuples the values are immutable, means the value cannot be changed. But this whole tuple can be changed because keys are unique but mutable in nature. Means this whole tuple can be changed, but inside that tuple the values cannot be changed. Now we will talk about the shallow copy and the deep copy. Shallow copy is if you want to change in a new copy, that change remains in that new copy only is referred to as a shallow copy. Means student dot copy, student copy. If I work on this student copy, this can be a new object, new function, new tuple, new list, anything. And if I work on that new copy and I want that change should remain in that student copy only, this is referred to as a shallow copy. But if I work on the student itself, then that will remain an deep copy. I will talk about the case of C++ and C users of the pointers. I think the C++ and C users are very much aware about the pointers itself, so I will talk in that manner. Let's suppose you are passing a function, and in that you return address end of array. It means you are passing it in the form of a reference. If you change anything inside that function ARR, then the value got changed in that function. But if you have passed ARR without using any reference, then if you came back to the original main function after completing that function, then all the values which got changed inside the array will be discarded and your original array will remain same. I think you understand. For key comma value in dictionary dot items, I have told you about this format also in the previous lecture, where I have told you that you have to write enumerate over the dictionary. So I think you got that. You have two formats. The previous one for key comma value in enumerate dictionary name, and this format, and the other format for key comma value in dictionary dot items semicolon print f. Key value, it means key, the index in terms of an ordered map or ordered map, and the value in terms of ordered map. Inside this curly braces, This is very much important. And now I will talk about the positional arguments and the keyword arguments. These are two different aspects which you must take care of. Positional arguments define, what is this function? Define, print, star argument. This will take only one form, and this keyword will take all the values in the pair form. Here I have used two stars to denote the keyword argument. Keyword argument. This you have to memorize it in this format only. Star argument. For num in argument, semicolon, print num, print this. Keyword arguments all are in the pair form. Define, print, star star keyword arguments for key comma values in the keyword argument, semicolon, print f in this key and this value, this format, dictionary format. You must take care that these should be written in a pair format, but these are written in a single format. So think it a manner that you can this format anywhere you want, where you don't know the variable type. Variables can be of the different values or different types. It means that you can use this format anywhere inside the object as well, inside anything. But if you have not written this, then you are specified that you have to use in that format only. Now I will move to the next page and talk about more in the dictionary. Now let me help you all with taking some of the coding examples which are considered as the simple ones to make you more understand and clear about the Python language. Let me talk about a strong password checker. First of all, I request you all, if you know about Python language and you have understood whatever I have told you so far in your head, now I request you that you should try this strong password on your own. I will give you some of the hints that you have to check that whether the string is of length greater than 8, equal to 8 or less than 8. You have to check that it must have at least one uppercase character. You must check that it has at least one lowercase character. You must have to check that it has at least one numeric character. You must check that it has at least one special character. Special characters like @ hashtag, etc. You can take it off. This strong password checker must contain at least all of them, and at most is nothing here. So I request you all that you must try it on your own. I think you all have tried it. Now I will give you the solution about that. Define password checker. Password. I have defined the function password checker in which I have passed the password which is of the string format. Look, password checker string format dev RASTOGI dev. Now password, if password length len of password is less than 8, return 0. No, the length of the password is not less than 0, it is greater than 0, so you will not return 0. If not any, now I will going to introduce with a new keyword referred to as any. Any means you have to check that any of them is true or not. Means if any of the case is true, it will return true to it. If any of the case is not true, then it will return not true to it. Not true means 0, true means 1. Char, look, for char in password, return, if for char in password, char dot is digit. It shows that I have to travel in the whole password string and check that is there any digit or not. any digit. If there is not any digit, then you will return 0. If not any, I will check it. If there is any is lower or not. If there is not any lower character, then you will return 0, and you can make all the other conditions in the similar manner whatsoever I have told you right so far. It will return 1. If any of these conditions fail, you will return 0, return 0, return 0. You can write more conditions and return 1. Okay, password checker. Now for this statement, your answer is no. Why? There is no special character, as well as there is no digit, which is my first condition I've shown to you. Now let me take you another example. Simple coding question of palindrome. What is palindrome? Some of you may are aware about this word palindrome who have worked on the C++ or C, but some of them are not aware of it. Let me talk you of the word madam. What this word madam is, look it from this side and look it from this side. Is this word resonating itself? Means from this side it is madam, and from this side is it madam? Yes. If the word resonates itself, resonates means copy itself from the both hands, is referred to as a palindrome. So I have told you about one of the basic functions in the previous video. It is about reversing it. If I reverse it then and found the same word as it is present previously, means original string, then it can be considered as a palindrome, otherwise not. Define is palindrome S. S means def. S is equals to S dot lower dot replace space with no space. It can be the case that this string is like there is a space or not. S dot lower, I will lower all of them. It can be the case that M is capital or M is small. So S is equals to S dot lower dot replace this. Return is equals to S is equals to original string is equals to S reverse string. If the values are same, then it will going to return 1, else no. Why? This is string, this is def, and this is string, this is wait. Is the first character equals to the D is equals to V? No, it will return 0 and it will also return 0. So this 0 will give answer no. Is D is equals to V? No, 0. Over. And this way you will check the palindrome. These three questions are basic points of the data structures and algorithms, which you should know the basics of them. Now I will talk about the lambda function, which I have not used so far, and it is not so much used in the Python, but it is used in the Python. Sorry, it is used in the Python, but it is not so much used in the machine learning algorithms. Now what this lambda function is? This is function without the name. Addition is equals to lambda a comma b semicolon a plus b. Print addition 5,6. It means I have passed this 5 and 6 to the function addition, which I have considered as a lambda function a comma b, and this will give me the value a plus b. So 5 plus 6 is 11. This also I have told you that I will talk about in the next video. List map lambda x square numbers. This is a list of the numbers. Now look, in this list I have 1, 2, and I will pass this list inside the map, and this map is consist of lambda function, which ensures that the value of x, that the key is x and the value is x square. Key is 0, value is 0 square. Key is 1 and the value is 1 square. Key is 2, value is 4. It means it will store the values in the map format 0 with a 1, 1 with a 1 and 2 with a 2 square. This is all about the basics of Python, and also I have talked about more of the dictionary as it is being used in the ML algorithms. I have also talked about some of the basic codes. You must know about these basic codes for going with the machine learning algorithms. Thank you very much. Now in the next video I will start with the basics of the machine learning algorithms. Thank you for watching.